Hello again. Before dive into variable types, let's introduce var_dump function. var_dump is like an echo statement, but the difference is, it is wisely used while tracing errors. var_dump will print out the value with its data type. Let us see our message variable. If we put message variable inside var_dump function, then we will get the result with its data type, string. Data type, and message. Now, we will look basic data types. First one is string. Another is integer. Next one is float. Float can contain decimal values. Let's see one special data type boolean. It contain only two values, either true or false. Now, jump over to Sublime and see how we will write these variable in PHP. For string, we will use double quotes. For integer value, double quotes will not be used. For floating points, we write decimal value. And for boolean, we write either true or false. In PHP, PHP automatically converts the variable to the correct data type, depending on its value. So we don't require to type its data type, like we do in C# or other programming languages. Now, let's print out each variable result using var_dump function. Save and reload your browser. Here we can see the value of variable along with data types. In the next lecture, we will perform some operations on our variable.